Hi everyone, Arpitha here. If you are new to my channel, we adopted a puppy recently. We call him Oreo. He is an indie breed. We want to make sure that he gets his own place where he can rest or sleep throughout night. This is a dog crate we bought on Amazon. I will show you how to fix it and give my review on it. I will also show the uncut, super fun, super cute unboxing of the crate with Oreo towards the end. So keep watching. I promise you will have lots of fun. This crate is made for dogs and should fit Oreo when he is fully grown. This crate size is 36-inch long, 22.5-inch wide, 25.5-inch height. I will leave the product link in the description box. You can check it out if you are interested. Let me quickly show you how easy it is to fix. I placed it on the floor and opened it like a book page, pulled it out so it sits into a frame. While holding it in the position, I pulled out the side frame. I slid that frame into the clips provided. Did the same on the other side. There is a plastic tray in the full width of the crate. This goes inside a separate section at the bottom. There are two doors, one in front, which is very easy to open, and the other is on top, which is very difficult to open. I'm still scared that my fingers might get pinched. Okay, moving on. It is definitely easy to move it around the house from room to room. There are some problems with design details, like the plastic tray that is below the frame, because of which your pup's paws won't be stable on the frame floor of the crate. I have added soft blanket to make it a bit comfy for Oreo. I felt there is no use of the tray this way. But if you don't keep a bed or blanket, then if there is any pee accident, your puppy won't be stepping in it until you realize the accident. That's the use I can think of. There is no locking system when the crate is folded. No handles were provided for carrying it around. Basically, this is a not so good copy of International Dog Crate, but it works perfectly alright. At this time of the video shoot, Oreo is completely trained to stay inside the crate. You can see how I started training him on the day one towards the later part of the video. He sleeps in this crate overnight without any whining. He's potty trained too. The only thing is he chews and tears the blankets. Good boy, good boy, good boy. Good boy. Good boy, good boy, good boy. Because of this crate, it will have a place where it can stay safe. I've seen on Kiara's birthday, he doesn't know anyone and he didn't have any comfortable place where he could stay by himself. And yeah, he was running around, he was whining. It was very sad to see. So when he gets used to this place as his comfort place, then he'll be happy. We will keep the door open. Even when it is open, it should go in and sleep and have his private time. So that's the whole plan about this. I'm leaving him to check it out for today. We'll see how it will manage in the night. I'm not sure. Right now, he's not scared of this crate. He seems pretty okay. This is the first time he's seeing it. He seems pretty okay with it. He's playing and he's going in and out. Everything is comfortable right now. For his measurements, maybe this is a little big for now, but once he grows to the adult size, this will be comfortable for him. At this age, if he gets used to this will be his permanent house, and it is foldable. As you have seen, it was very easy to open. We can just fold it and carry it wherever we want to. He really played a lot and he's completely tired. See how nicely he's sleeping. I want him to sleep inside the crate the same way like this. Then I'll be the happiest. I hope night times also he'll sleep inside comfortably. Yeah, one more thing. Because of this crate, if he gets used to this, he won't bite the furniture. He's in a teething age, so he's biting on all kinds of furniture, walls, everywhere he's biting. This will prevent biting also. And when we are carrying this anywhere, even if it is new surroundings for him, the crate will keep him feel comfortable. I'm sure this will be a positive thing for us. Okay. I will just include some behind the scenes of unboxing this crate. ఇంతే బయటికి ఫుల్ చేద్దామా ఇంకా తీయండి దానిపైన కూర్చుని ఎట్లేదు సార్ ఇటు వస్తే బాగుంటది కదా దా ఇటు రా కమ్ డౌన్ డౌన్ ఓవర్ ఇదిగో 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 కూర్చో సిట్ సిట్ హియర్ బట్లా ఓరియో వైబ్రేషన్
Wow, it looks nice.
పీకడానికి బాగా దొరికింది.
ఇగో తీసుకో తీసుకో ఏంటి ఓరియో ఏం చేస్తున్నావు నువ్వు వాట్ ఆర్ యూ డూయింగ్ జాగ్రత్త అజ్జుడు తీసుకుని అక్కడికే వెళ్తుంది ఇంకా చాలు లే లీవ్ ఇట్ ఓరియో లీవ్ ఇట్ అక్కడ అది పడేస్తుంది అటు పోతే ఏ ఇట్రా
Nice. Can fit. Be very small. Then why not let the local kid?
Come here. Come here. Very good. Oreo seems to be comfortable inside.
And it's running around like a
Yeah. Sit. Sit, Oreo. Sit. Sit. Good boy. Good boy. Very good. Sit, Oreo. Sit. Sit. Sit, sit. Down. Very good. Very good. Very good, Oreo. Sit. Up, up. Ah, good boy. Good boy. Let's go in. Good boy. Door sound వినిపిస్తుందా? That's okay. That's all right. That's okay. Sit, Oreo. Sit, sit. Good boy. Good. Very good. Very good. Okay, let's take these. Okay, happy. Okay, let's come out. Come. Good boy, Oreo. Good boy, Oreo. Good boy. Chewing bone in blanket gets you up. Oreo, no. Leave it, Oreo. Leave it. Okay. It wants to take it in and chew it inside only.
It took a bit time to take care of this, so.
Okay, let's do this. Okay, నాకు ఇంకా హెల్ప్ కావాలి దీనికి బ్యాగ్ కావాల్సిందేనంట ఓకే doesn't want to leave this I thought we'll throw this sorry if you want to watch me and my life a little closer don't forget to subscribe to my channel you'll get to see Oreo Kiara, me, my husband, and my travels, my family members, my celebrations, my everything. So don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell icon so you won't miss any video from my channel.